Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a topic that's both delicious and healthy: apple farming in India. So if you've ever wondered about the secrets behind those juicy, crisp apples, you're in the right place. Did you know that India is one of the top apple-producing countries? That's right! With regions like Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir leading the charge, the Indian apple industry is thriving. But what makes India so special when it comes to apple farming? Let's find out. First off, the climate. Apples love the cold, and these regions provide just the perfect chill for apple trees to flourish. But it's not just about the cold, it's about how these areas manage their unique climates to nurture these fruits to perfection. Now, let's talk about the stars of the show, the apples themselves. India boasts a variety of apples like the Red Delicious, Golden Delicious, and the Royal Gala. Each of these varieties has its own unique flavor and texture, making them favorites not just in India but globally. But here's something I find fascinating. Apple farming isn't just about growing fruit, it's a science. From the meticulous planting methods that ensure each tree gets enough space to thrive, to the precise pruning techniques that boost fruit quality, every step is planned to perfection. And the benefits? They're immense. Apples are a powerhouse of health, packed with fibre, vitamins and antioxidants. They're not just good, they're good for you. Whether you're munching on an apple as a snack or juicing it, these fruits are a fantastic addition to a healthy diet. So, next time you bite into a crisp, juicy apple, remember the incredible journey it's been on. From the scenic orchards of India to your kitchen, each apple carries a story of meticulous care, favourable climates and passionate farmers. That's all for today. If you're as intrigued by apple farming as I am, why not dive deeper? It's a world of flavours, science and nature, all wrapped up in one crunchy package. Catch you in the next video, where we explore another fascinating facet of our world. Stay healthy, stay curious.